So just yesterday, I was reviewing some of my investments over, and I noticed there was a huge dip in not only the stock market, but also in the crypto market, which I was thinking to myself, wow, why is there such a huge dip on all of these cryptocurrencies? On Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on all these altcoins. What's going on? And I thought to myself, wow, something major must have happened. And lo and behold, Joe Biden, with his capital gains tax proposal, I found the culprit. And make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe button before we get into this video. Click on my link Fly, always linked at the top of the description box of my videos. Click on that and follow and subscribe to me at Young Manhood. And I am not a financial expert, gotta throw that out there first. But with that being said, people with this Robin Hood complex, typically people on the left, the so-called progressives, they have this Robin Hood complex of, oh, just take from the rich and give to the poor. The problem is these people, the progressives that think this way, they actually think that the rich, the wealthy, the ones that are going to be affected the most by this capital gains tax hike proposed by Joe Biden, they actually think that these people will just take it on the chin. And that's how you know these people, and I don't mean to be insulting, that is how you know that they are poverty minded, because they think that the rich take it on the chin when they never take it on the chin. They're not gonna eat this loss. They're going to change the way they invest because of this capital gains tax hike. They're gonna change the way they invest. And when the rich change the way they invest, this affects the overall market. This affects the overall stock market, overall crypto market. It affects all of these markets. And as Robert Kiyosaki says in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a classic, a must read in my opinion, when it comes to building financial literacy, Rich Dad, Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki, he said himself that the middle class ends up flipping the bill. When it comes to this sort of thing, the ones that are the very rich, they have the most resources at their disposal. They have the information at their disposal when it comes to circumventing, to mitigating their financial losses. And they will utilize all of them. While the very poor, they are not taxed pretty much at all in comparison to the middle class and up. So the ones left in the most vulnerable position is the middle class. Stock market tanks after report on Biden plan to pay for leftist agenda. Experts warn it is insanity. So the article goes on to state, the market tanked late Thursday afternoon following a report about how President Joe Biden plans to pay for his progressive agenda, as experts warned that his proposed capital gains tax hike could have seriously negative ramifications for the country. Biden will propose almost doubling the capital gains tax rate for wealthy individuals to 39.6% to help pay for a raft of social spending that addresses long-standing inequality, Bloomberg News reported. They always go for that narrative. They love the equality narratives. They love those narratives. They're in love with them. Even though they're very intellectually dishonest. Very intellectually dishonest. For those earning $1 million or more, the new top rate coupled with an existing surtax on investment income means that federal tax rates for wealthy investors could be as high as 43.4%. The new marginal 39.6% rate would be an increase from the current base rate of 20%. The public said on the condition of anonymity because the plan is not yet public. So this is still a proposal. But the proposal alone has affected the market in a negative way. In the crypto market, those that have some crypto investments themselves, they know how it's already highly volatile, especially right now. The market quickly nosedived after the report was published, with the Dow losing 1% of its overall value. Damn. So Scott Minerd stated, "It is insanity," who oversees $310 billion in assets, the investment firm Guggenheim Partners. So Scott Minerd, he oversees $310 billion in asset investments. Whoa, that's a lot. So definitely a heavy hitter. He's stating that that's not because I'm a Wall Street capitalist. The proposed rates of the current president's administration would probably reduce tax revenues over time and would discourage people from allocating money towards long-term investments. See? You see? The rich don't just take it on the chin like that. And I don't know why progressives think that the rich will just take it on the chin like that. They never take it on the chin. This is why so many ideas proposed by the left fall flat on its face, because they really don't understand how things work. They don't. Anthony Scaramucci, founder of the hedge fund Skybridge Capital, said, "This isn't about feeling sorry for millionaires. Doubling the top capital gains rate would have deleterious effects on job creation and wage growth for middle-class workers." What did I just say? It's going to affect middle-class workers. They already know. The people at the very top, they already know who's going to end up paying the price for this type of stuff. Tim Draper, one of America's top venture capitalists, warned that Biden's plan might kill the golden goose that is America. I wouldn't be surprised. People need an incentive to build long-term startups of value, Draper tweeted. In California, that would be a 56.4% tax burden. And then he states that 50%, well, above 50% spells death to job creation. Which makes sense, because they don't take it on the chin like that. They don't do that. They do not do that. They're gonna hire less people to make up for this loss of income. I don't know why people on the left don't understand that. I don't know why they don't get it. Venture capitalist David Stewart warned that Biden's plans could neuter America's entrepreneurial ecosystem. But I am curious what you guys think about this whole thing. Make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe button, and blessings to you.